Did you know you can replace Google logo with your own name? Not just your name, you can even set your own photo or a live clock. Every time you open google.com, it will greet you by your name or your picture. Let me show you how. Open Chrome and install this free extension called My Doodle. I will leave the link to this extension in the descriptions. Once it is installed, click on the extension. The first option lets you replace Google logo with text. Type anything you want. It could be your name or even a funny message. Click Set as default. Now refresh Google. Instead of Google logo, you will see your own text. Pretty cool, right? To adjust the size and position of your text or image, go to the extension again and adjust zoom and position. But that is not all. Go back to the extension and open the Image tab. Upload any image from your computer. It could be your own photo or any image you want. The image can be of any size or aspect ratio. The extension will automatically adjust it. Set it as default and refresh Google again. Now your image replaces Google logo. The best part is, your changes are saved permanently. Even if you close Chrome or restart your computer, your custom Google logo will still be there. There is one more option. Open the clock tab, choose the time format and set it as default. Now every time you visit Google, you will see a live clock instead of Google logo. It is surprisingly useful, especially if you have set Google as your home page. If you ever want to go back to the original Google logo, you don't have to remove the plugin. There is a disable toggle in the extension. Just turn it off anytime you want. Then refresh the Google page again and you will see the default Google logo return. That's it. It's a small customization, but if you use Google every day, it makes the homepage feel a lot more personal. If you found this useful, share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you are not. If you have any questions, please drop a comment. I will be happy to answer them. I will see you on the next one. Until next time, take care.